Okay, well, I wanted to pop on here and show you an example of what you might do to do some wordplay with your child, or sometimes we call these word ladders, but they're a great way to kind of play with the letters and get your children to understand kind of how that changes a word. And it helps them see the different word parts in an individual word. Okay, or I shouldn't say word parts, different letter parts. Um, so let me just show you an example. So let's say we have this, and I might say, okay, today we're going to learn about A and I, and we know that when two vowels go walking, sometimes we say two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So when you see an A and an I together, which are both vowels, we know that will make the long A sound, A, because the A does the talking and the I is just following along. So we know that that's the long A sound. So let's say we bring up this letter, A. What do we have there? We have A, rain. Okay, so we can start out and say this is the word rain. You can see it has three words or three separate sounds. A, rain. What if we take this R away and we replace it with a P? What word do we have now? And you would give them a chance to say that. And if they needed some help, you could kind of word spell it out. Pain, pain, pain. Yeah, the word pain. What if we take and we add the letter T to it? What do we have now? And then hopefully they would say paint, paint. Yes, we have the word paint. What if we take this away and the P away, and we bring in the BFFs? We like to call these BFFs because C and H, they hang out together, right? What does C and H say? And they would say ch, right? So if we put that in front of ain, what do we have? Ch, ain, chain. And let's say we wanted to add this to it. Now what is our new word? And they would say chains. So there's just a very simple example of how you might, let me see, I was going to stop presenting, how you might do some wordplay or word ladders just by changing different parts of the word. And of course, you can change out the vowels if you're practicing vowels, where you might have where pat, at, P-A-T, you might change out the A and put an E in there. And so it just depends on what you're practicing with your child, but I just wanted to give you an idea of a way. And I did that virtually on a Jamboard, but you could use real letters, like magnetic letters on a board, to do that as well. All right. Hope that helps.